Hi, I'm Renee, and I clean and organize my followers' homes for free. In this episode, it will only take me 4 hours to unpack and organize this college student's apartment so he can start out the semester clean and fresh. So the backstory on this apartment is the mother reached out to me because she was unable to travel to help her son unpack and move into his college apartment. She asked if I would be able to help him unpack and get organized, and I gladly said yes. Was temporary. We eventually moved that to the living room. While I'm unpacking, the college student is working on setting up his desk and all of his computer equipment. It's time for the reveal. I'm so glad I could help this family. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with all your friends. Hit the notification bell for more videos like this.